Thanks for looking at one of our vehicles. Here at Cherry Creek Dodge, we put all of our vehicles through a very meticulous inspection. Come on in for a test drive, and remember, we put our customer relationships before dollars. Thanks.
You are looking at a beautiful 2008 Chevy Impala with gold mist metallic exterior. A very nice vehicle. Come and see it at Cherry Creek Dodge, located at 2727 South Havana Street in Denver, Colorado. Stop by or give us a call at 855-379-4439. That's 855-379-4439. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.